Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and please join me as I try to keep my orchids blooming by avoiding all the common mistakes that can ruin its flowers. Proper care during the flowering stage is very important to ensure healthy blooms and long-lasting display of beautiful flowers. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 tips for beginner what to do when your orchids is flowering. Guys, the common mistakes made by orchid owners when their plants are flowering which can lead to stress and damage of plants are 1. Overwatering which can cause root rot, or underwatering, which can cause dehydration of your plants. And 2, exposing their orchids to direct sunlight, which can cause the flower to fade. Other common mistakes are fertilizing too much or too little can also be harmful. Repotting an orchid while it is flowering can be detrimental to the plant's health, and exposing orchids to extreme temperature can also be harmful. This can cause the flowers to drop or the plants become stressed. Also, not providing enough humidity can cause the plant to become dehydrated. And by touching the flowers or leaves, it can cause damage and spread diseases as well. When it comes to watering, it is important to avoid getting water on the flowers or crown of the plant because this can cause the flowers to rot or the crown to become infected. Instead, water the plant at the soil level, making sure not to oversaturate the soil. When fertilizing, it should be done with caution as over fertilizing can damage the roots. The most important tip for ensuring your orchid thrives during its flowering stage is to maintain a consistent environment. This means keeping the temperature, humidity, and light level consistent and avoiding any sudden change. By doing so, you can help reduce stress and prevent damage to the plant. Also, regularly inspect the plant for pests or diseases to help prevent infestation. Pruning dead or dying flowers can also help maintain the plant's appearance and promote new growth. By following these tips and avoiding common mistakes, you can help your orchid bloom beautifully and stay healthy. Please join the conversation, guys, by sharing your experiences with orchid care in the comment below. And don't forget to check out another video on general orchid tips for more information or keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Thanks for watching, guys.